Hi guys, I'm John from A&E Construction and you're watching Build with A&E. Today we're going to show you how to install some of these wall starter kits. Today we're going to be using the Simpson Strong Tie version. There are quite a few different ones out there. These are just the ones that are available at our local merchants that we use. What these are used for is basically attaching two brick walls together. Where you're unable to tooth out, which is normally best practice, it's easier and better and also safer to use this method. As you can see here, Alex has already fixed this one in the wall and we're going to show you how to go about it. So, the tools you're going to need for this job are as follows: an SDS drill, the fixings which come with it, or some safe alternatives to use, pencil, tape measure, socket set. We're using an impact driver with this with an attachment on the end that a normal ratchet will do, and a level. So, first of all, what you need to do is work out exactly where your wall starter kit's going to go, which is obviously going to be centre of the wall. This is going to have two skins on it, so this is going in the centre of that skin, and then the other one will go at the side, the centre of that skin. So Alex is just marking up a vertical plumb line, which is going to be the centre of this wall. As you can see, he's marked on there. That's nice and level from plumb all the way up, and then he knows exactly where to drill his holes then. Another important thing to remember is that when you're fixing this, always make sure you go in the centre of the brick. Don't ever go into the bed joints, because all it's going to do is just split away and then it's not going to be a solid fixing. You need to make sure you've got a very strong mechanical fixing. So by fixing to the middle of the brick there, you know that you're going to get that. So next step, get your actual wall starter, which is here. Hold it up against the wall like this, onto your line, so you know you're going to be in exactly the right place that you need to be. And then mark in the holes in the centre of the brick, like I've said. As you can see, the wall starter is going up alongside the line, so Alex knows that he's got this perfect. There we go. And again. There you are. Markings are all good. So now we know exactly where we've got to drill. So what Alex is doing here is marking on the drill bit exactly how deep into the wall we need to go. Then using a bit of insulation tape or any of the tape or something like that, wrap that around the drill bit, and then you know then exactly how deep into the wall that you need to drill. So it will save you going in too far and then potentially losing some of the plugs or blowing through the brick or anything like that. This gives you a precise depth into the wall then. Some drills do come with an attachment which sticks on the side, which you can adjust so you can only drill in a certain amount, but for this process we're using that. So next up, get your SDS drill. Like I mentioned a minute ago, we've taped over the end to the right depth, which I believe is 55mm, and then we drill. Just down to the tape like you saw there, and then Alex knows then that's perfect. Okay, so holes are drilled. Now we get the plugs. We're using the ones that come with the kit. Obviously, that's what the manufacturer is going to recommend, so it's best to use those. Pop them straight in the hole. They're in. Now grab your bolts, put your washer over the end. Hang on a sec. Here's Pete. Hi Pete! So as you can see, Alex has got the wall starter kit up the wall. We've pushed the bolts through, just tap them in gently. There we go, you're in position. Now use your socket or your impact driver, whatever you got to hand. Perfect mechanical fixing there. Nice and solid, it's not going to go anywhere. Pull it nicely back into the wall. Awesome job. There you go. As you can see, the anchor's already in there, so as we build the brick wall up here, this then goes in the bed joint, and that will perfectly tie this new brick wall into the existing brick wall. Easy as that. Hopefully now you'll have the confidence to do it yourself. If you've got any more questions about it, just drop some comments in the box below and we'll be able to answer any questions you got. If If you like this video, make sure you press like, and while you're there, also subscribe as well, because there's plenty more of that coming from. Take care, see you later.